Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to search for messages on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to search for messages on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to search for messages on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to search for messages on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Searching for messages on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Here at the top, you are seeing search icon. From here, you can find contacts, not messages. Select a chat you want to find an old message. Now click on three dots at the top right corner. Click on view contact. Here you are seeing search icon. Click on it, write a text and then press search button. You will find the message. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search for messages on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.